Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I will be telling you how you can buy Titano using your MetaMask wallet. So first of all, go to Google and search for Titano Finance. Then click on the first website and here click on buy now. Connect your MetaMask wallet. So after connecting MetaMask wallet, let's add Titano to our MetaMask, and for that go to website and then go on the three dots on top, and here you will see documents. Just click on it. After opening documents, click on Titano token. Here you will see the address. Click on it and copy this address. Then open MetaMask. Scroll down a little and click on import tokens. Here paste this address and add to custom token. Click import tokens, and that's how you add Titano to your MetaMask. Now let's get back to the website. So your wallet is connected, you have added Titano. Now all you have to do is just fill in the amount that you want to purchase, and if it is not converting, then you can change the slippage tolerance, and for that you need to click on this settings icon, and here you will be able to customize slippage. So sometimes it might work at 20% or maybe 25%. So try whatever works for you. After checking in the slippages, you will be able to convert your BNB into Titano token. And that's how you buy Titano using your MetaMask wallet. I hope this video was helpful. If you need any help, just comment down below and make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.